Just wanted to see if you wanted to have a drink.
Can I help you?
Yo, I'm sorry. I had the wrong house.
Check this guy out. He tries to double dip. He steals a package and then tries to make some money shoveling the snow.
Hello?
Hi, would you like me to shovel today your porch, your steps, and your sidewalk?
No, thank you. We got a maintenance guy that does it.
Okay, thank you for your time then. All right,
Thank you.
bye.
Have a good one.
You too.
I don't suggest having random drinking partners. They may try to Cardi B you, or just to be fair, may try to Bill Cosby you.
What do you want?
Hey, just wanted to see if you wanted to have a drink.
No,
Chill. No.
please leave us alone.
All right.
Wouldn't trust anyone on Fort Loco anyway.
يا عيال كم من قحبة بيتش ليكم ماك وستاون and go. What do you mean? Bitch. You's a bitch, nigga. What? You want to see a brass knuckles, dude? Let's go. You want to see a brass knuckles, dude? You want to see a brass knuckles, dude?
Get off the porch.
Try to keep those shoes inside. I'm not sure why, but these people like to come on these porches and play with your sneakers.
I'm calling Trump on you. I know who you are.
A homeowner catches this guy going to his neighbor's yard.
Ew. Ew.
Aye, I see you. I see you, boy. Call the police. Call the police. Call the police. Dude trying to break in the back of the house. Got a black jacket on, yellow, yeah. Yep. We got him. We got him. We got him. He's coming around the back side of the house.
Yes.
Sorry, man.
Okay. What are you doing? Who are you? Hello. What are you doing? Who are you? Leave the things.
I bet there's something hella funny up in it. Let's see. the fuck is this? I don't know, but you know what? There you go. Hello. There you go. Oh, funny ass plants. Hello. Take the fuck up.
Don't forget about those other delivery options. It's rare these thieves ever listen.
Put those back. Put those back. He just stole those packages. That's the guy that's getting packages.
Ew. Put that shit back.
Put it. It's not mine. It's over here. Put them back. Put them back. They're over there, baby. No. Put it back.
Hey, I'm calling the cops right now. Because I got you on camera stealing that shit.
I got 2 cameras up.
I'm coming down now. I'm coming down now.
That's the guy, baby. He stole them from over there.
Well, is he selling the package?
Yes, pues, se lo jode por aquí, babe. I just saw him. Like, look, he's opening the boxes too. Opening the boxes there.
What the fuck is you doing out there? I'm about to call the cops because you keep passing. Who is that?
Sir?
Who?
There's somebody chasing me.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing? You keep setting my cameras off, walking around my cars, and
Chasing me. It sounded like somebody was talking to me, so I came in and responded. Sorry.
Good for you. Good for you. You can mind your own business anytime soon. Domino's, ma'am. Did you already grab your pizza, man? From the... What in the heck?
Hey, my name's Jesse. I don't know if you've seen these pictures of my son. His name is Rigo. If you find out anything, you can call me at 919-308-7457. Thank you.
Hey, Mom, the master.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. And also, I really love your comments. Keep on letting me know what areas you want to see.
I better be the man. Can I get you? Where's the pussy? Right there. Now, I'm gonna bring it to you.
please, if you can, appreciate it. All right. Listen, I appreciate it. It's not.
Because on Saturday, which is Kayla's birthday, right now there is a
This man comes into this yard looking to steal, but what he really needs to steal is a shirt and maybe a training bra. Here's another example of why you should keep your shoes inside. Not sure what's up with California and loving to put their shoes outdoors. This lady straight kicked her shoes off and puts on some new ones. New to her, at least. I think this is how the old school players in Oakland flirt with you. Give you the googly eyes.
You are currently being recorded.
Put my garbage can back. Or if you
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.